Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to 15x Mentor, your destination for unlocking your true potential. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to turn your creativity into cash using Canva with a little help from our friend, ChatGPT. I'm your host, 15x Mentor, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this journey. You're probably familiar with Canva's amazing design capabilities, but did you know you can also use it to pad your bank account? That's right. And when you pair it with ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. Let's start by exploring how Canva can become your money-making machine. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Canva offers tools for everyone. From crafting stunning logos to creating engaging social media graphics, Canva has everything you need. But here's where it gets interesting: ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is like having a creative genius at your fingertips. Need ideas? Feedback? ChatGPT has got you covered. Imagine you're stuck on a design or struggling to come up with content ideas. Just ask ChatGPT and it'll provide you with instant inspiration. Pretty cool, huh? With ChatGPT by your side, you'll never be short of ideas again. And the best part? It seamlessly integrates with Canva, making your workflow smoother than ever. So whether you're a freelancer looking to monetize your skills or an entrepreneur ready to launch your next big project, Canva and ChatGPT are here to help you succeed. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling. This is 15x Mentor signing off.